Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What did you do today?
Not much, just some work. What about you?
I went for a walk in the park. The weather is nice today.
Oh, that sounds lovely. What do you usually do in the park?
I like to walk, read a book, or sometimes just relax. What about you?
I usually go to the gym in the morning. After that, I like to cook.
That's interesting. What do you like to cook?
I like making pasta and salads. What about you? Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. I like making soups and sandwiches.
Oh, I love soup. What kind of soup do you make?
I make vegetable soup. It's easy and healthy.
That sounds delicious. I should try it sometime.
You should. It's really simple. Do you like to eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy most of the time, but I love chocolate too.
Chocolate is hard to resist. I like it too. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. How about you?
I like watching movies and playing video games.
That's cool. What kind of movies do you watch?
I like action movies and comedies. They are fun.
Oh, I like comedies too. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is The Avengers. It's full of action.
I've seen that movie. It's really exciting.
I know. Who's your favorite character in the movie?
I like Iron Man. He's very smart and funny.
I like him too. He has great lines.
Yes, he's always funny. Do you watch any TV shows?
Yes, I watch a show called Friends. It's a comedy.
Yes, I watch a show called Friends. It's a comedy.
Yes, it's really funny. The characters are great.
I should watch it. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. How about you?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I like to sleep early.
That's a good habit. I should try to sleep earlier.
Yes, it helps me feel good in the morning.
I agree. I'll try to do that too.
It's important to get enough rest.
Yes, you're right. So, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm planning to visit my family. What about you?
I'm going to the beach with some friends. I'm excited.
That sounds fun. I hope you have a great time.
Thanks. I hope you enjoy your time with your family.
I'm sure I will. Have a nice weekend.
You too. Take care.